Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trade Club. In this video, we will talk about the simple trading strategy in Forex. But before we start, you can click subscribe button below, and you will get notification when we upload a new video. You can join our free Telegram channel so you can get free education like ebook or trading signals for free. Now, let's get started. Hull Sweet Indicator. Hull Sweet Indicator is an indicator that uses moving average as a base indicator. A moving average is a technical indicator that market analysts and investors may use to determine the direction of a trend. You can see, when the Hull Sweet Indicator is red, it means on downtrend. And when the Hull Sweet Indicator is green, it means on uptrend. How to install the indicator? We are using TradingView to use this indicator. Go to tradingview.com or you can click link in description below and sign up for a free account. In free account you can get access up to 3 indicator for free. Now, go to product and you will see the market chart, click on it. Choose a currency pair and set the time frame to 1 hour. Click on Indicator, search for Hull Sweet. Click on it. Your chart will look like this. The rule of Hull Sweet Indicator. We will look for the Hull Sweet Indicator. When the Hull Sweet Indicator color is red, go for sell or short transaction only. When the Hull Sweet Indicator color is green, go for buy or long transaction only. Now you can see in the chart. The Hull Sweet Indicator color change from red to green. We can go for buy or long transaction. Set the stop loss to the last low of the market. Set the take profit 1.5 times, so we are using 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. Let's see how this trade turns out. This trade hit the take profit level. Now you can see in the chart. The Hull Sweet Indicator color change from green to red. We can go for sell or short transaction. Set the stop loss to the last high of the market. Set the take profit 1.5 times, so we are using 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. Let's see how this trade turns out. This trade hit the take profit level. Let's backtest this indicator. Backtesting Hull Sweet strategy. Now, let's test the Hull Sweet indicator for 100 times trade. The starting balance of this test is $1,000. We will use 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio with 2% of risk for single trade. If we lose, we will lose $20. And if it profit, we will get $30. From this video, we will start to use 2% risk for single trade, for better account growth. We will do the test on EUR/USD with 1 hour time frame. You can see on your screen, when I am doing the backtest with this indicator. Let's discuss the result of this strategy. Backtesting result. Before we discuss about the result, please support this video by giving like and subscribing to this channel. That will keep me motivated to create education for you. Now, we can see the result of the Hull Sweet Indicator. The Hull Sweet Indicator has 54 profit trade and 46 loss trade. It means on 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio, the whole suite indicator has 54% of win rate. The consecutive profit is 4 trade in a row, and the consecutive loss is 4 in a row. The accounts start from $1,000 and end up at $1,730 with 73% account growth. Conclusion. Now we want to tell you the conclusion of this indicator. This indicator is very easy to use. You only need one indicator and it's easy to understand. But this trading strategy only well perform with the long trend. So please avoid ranging area when using this indicator. So, that's all about the whole suite trading strategy. I hope you can understand the content of the video and like the video. Please support this channel by giving a like and subscribing to this channel, so we can develop in the future. We are on Simple Trade Club. Create this video is for education purposes only, and not a financial advice for you. We are not responsible for any profit or loss you had when using this trading strategy. Don't forget to join our free Telegram channel so you can get free education like ebook or trading signals for free. See you in the next video.